This 2026 Coachmen Beyond 22D AWD is a Class B RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 22 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 2, stovetop burner, external shower, refrigerator, microwave, water heater, LP detector, TV, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2026 Coachmen Beyond 22D AWD is built on a Ford Transit chassis and is powered by an EcoBoost engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.